Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best circuit board repair is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who loves electronics or enjoys DIY projects. Whether you're a seasoned technician or a curious beginner, having the right kit can save you time, money, and the frustration of a broken device. Today, we're diving deep into a top-tier circuit board repair kit, exploring its features, and showing you how it can empower you to fix a wide range of electronic gadgets. Number 5. Soldering Iron Kit 30-in-1 with Multimeter. This kit includes all the necessary tools for various soldering projects. It's perfect for home DIY, electrical repairs, and crafting. It has everything you need to get started. The kit features a high-quality soldering iron, stand, and multimeter. The soldering iron has a heat-resistant cap and grip for safety. The multimeter offers all-around protection and a stand function. You'll receive over 20 extra items, like a pen-shaped screwdriver and tweezers. It also includes solder, wire strippers, and mini screwdrivers. These accessories enhance the kit's versatility. All the tools come in a durable PU carry bag. This bag keeps everything organized and is easy to transport. It's the perfect all-in-one DIY package. Every purchase is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. You'll also receive lifetime customer support. This ensures your satisfaction with the product. What we like. This kit is a comprehensive package, including everything you need to get started. It boasts premium quality components, ensuring durability and reliability. If you're a beginner or a hobbyist looking for a one-stop shop solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This kit allowed me to solder a cut-up LED strip to 22 AWG wires, my first time soldering in 25 years. Everything important works, and if you bought the parts separately, you'd have paid a lot more, even from Chinese sites. I am replacing the resonator on a Toyota speedometer, already replaced speedometer, but the gauge on the dashboard still heats up and goes out intermittently. Many of the items I already have, but it is nice to have 2 of each. That way I can keep a set for lead soldering in circuits and a separate set for lead-free soldering. Number 4. NEWACALOX Automatic Soldering Gun Kit. This soldering gun features an automatic solder feeding system, activated by a simple button press. It saves time and boosts efficiency. The detachable wire stand is easy to use and replace, making your work easier. Designed for single-handed use, this soldering gun allows you to work comfortably. It's perfect for tight spaces and reduces the risk of accidental burns. It is great for various tasks, from car repairs to DIY projects. The soldering gun heats up rapidly, reaching 400 degrees Celsius in just seconds. The ceramic core and alloy tip ensure fast heating and lasting performance. This feature enhances both convenience and durability. The kit includes a desoldering pump with a high-pressure vacuum tube and a sturdy aluminum body. This tool is easy to operate with one hand. It is ideal for both soldering and desoldering tasks. The NEWACALOX kit is a comprehensive welding tool, including a soldering gun, desoldering pump, tweezers, and solder wire. It's the perfect helper for connecting components and handling all your soldering needs. Before first use, ensure the solder feed tube aligns with the tip. When changing solder wire, straighten it, press the opening, and feed the wire through. This ensures the tool functions correctly. You'll receive the soldering gun, tweezers, desoldering pump, solder wire, and a user manual. Enjoy US-based customer support and a 30-day return policy. It is widely used for various tasks. What we like. The automatic solder feeding feature saves time and effort, making your work more efficient. Its single-hand operation is perfect for working in tight spaces. If you're working on intricate projects or need to solder in hard-to-reach areas, this tool will be your best friend. What people say. Works well and keeps one hand more free to further assist yourself in the soldering process. The feed for the as-needed flow of raw solder to the connection is a most needed function of this gun. The iron heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, making soldering easy and efficient. Number 3. Soldering Iron Kit with Magnifying Glass. This kit includes everything you need for soldering. It comes with a 100W digital soldering iron, various tips, solder, and helpful tools. It's a complete set for electronics enthusiasts. The soldering iron features a digital display and allows for precise temperature control. It heats up quickly, reaching working temperature in just 20 seconds. You can adjust the temperature between 392 degrees Fahrenheit and 932 degrees Fahrenheit. The included welding stand has a magnifying glass to help you see small parts clearly. The alligator clips secure your work, preventing it from moving. This makes soldering much easier. This soldering iron kit is perfect for various DIY projects and circuit board repairs. You can use it for jewelry, guitars, watches, and more. It's a versatile tool for many applications. The handle is designed for comfort and safety, with a high-temperature resistant silicone cover. The insulating rubber materials enhance safety while you work. It's designed to keep your hands safe. What we like. This kit offers a high-power 100W soldering iron for faster heating and efficient work. The digital display and adjustable temperature control allow for precise soldering. If you're working on detailed electronics or need to see small components clearly, this kit with the magnifying glass is ideal for you. What people say. Very complete, good quality. Great addition to your homeowner essential tools. Gets hot very fast, honestly love it. I used this kit to rebuild the board and in 2 hours, the keyboard was back working again. Number 2. Magnetic Helping Hands Soldering Station. This soldering station features a massive powder-coated steel base, ensuring your workstation remains stable. The rubber feet prevent any movement and protect your work surface from scratches. It's built to last and provide a secure foundation. With 4 adjustable metal gooseneck arms, you can easily position them with the magnetic base. These arms free up your hands, making your soldering projects easier than ever before. You can adjust them to fit any project size. The hot air gun frame has a strong magnetic base for easy attachment to metal surfaces. The bracket rotates 360 degrees, and the clamp adjusts to your needs. It's a great helper for all your DIY projects. This soldering station includes a 3x magnifying lamp made of real optical glass for a clear view. It has a dimmable LED with 3 color temperature choices and adjustable brightness. It's perfect for close-up work. The strong magnets and pillar holders can be moved freely on the heavy steel base. The multipurpose vise has a 2.1-inch jaw opening and a 360-degree swivel base. It enhances work efficiency for any project. You'll receive a 360-degree rotation hot air gun frame, a metal base, a 3x magnifying lamp, a power adapter, a vise, PCB board clips, flexible arms, alligator clips, and a user manual. It has everything you need to get started. What we like. The heavy-duty base ensures stability, preventing any accidental movement during your work. The magnetic arms and magnifying lamp offer flexibility and precision. If you're looking for a helping hand with a stable base and clear vision, this is the perfect solution for your soldering needs. What people say. The device is well made and the magnets are extremely strong neodymium magnets. The magnifying lens is high-quality glass and even though it is listed as 3x, it seems stronger. The LED light has multiple settings and allows 3 choices for the color and 10 choices for the intensity. It is quite bright and sufficient for just about any job. Number 1. Molence Electronics Components Kit for Arduino and Raspberry Pi. This kit from Molence offers a vast array of electronic components. It includes resistors, LEDs, triodes, capacitors, and diodes, everything you need for your projects. It's a great starting point for beginners and experienced makers alike. With a whopping 1818 resistors, this kit ensures you have plenty on hand. This variety allows you to experiment with different circuits and designs. You'll find the right resistance for any project. This kit is specifically designed for use with Arduino Uno, Mega 2560, and Raspberry Pi. It provides all the necessary components to get your projects up and running. It's the perfect companion for your microcontroller projects. The kit also includes PCBs, potentiometers, and variable resistance components. These extra components provide even more flexibility for your designs. They are essential for a wide range of electronic applications. Whether you're a student, hobbyist, or professional, this kit is ideal for DIY electronics. It provides all the essential components in one convenient package. This makes it easy to build and experiment with electronics. What we like. This kit provides a vast assortment of electronic components, perfect for various DIY projects. It includes a wide range of resistors, LEDs, and other essential parts. If you are a DIY enthusiast or electronics hobbyist, this kit will provide you with all the necessary components to bring your ideas to life. What people say. A lot of useful components stuffed in this kit. Once it arrived, it amazed me how they fit a lot of components in such a small box. Once I took everything out, I in fact had everything and tested a few components out on my Arduino. And they did not disappoint as they worked great with the Arduino. They're really handy to have around, plenty common parts and components for use in repairing vintage hardware and for Arduino or Pi projects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.